Most people use Google Home to turn lights on and off and set timers, but it can do far more than that. Here are 5 Google Home features that most users have never tried. Number 1, routines. A routine in Google Home triggers multiple actions with a single command or on a schedule. Say, "Hey Google, good morning," and your routine can turn on the lights, read the weather forecast, start your coffee maker, and announce your first meeting, all at once. You can create routines triggered by voice, time, sunrise and sunset, or when a device changes state. Spend 20 minutes building 3 routines, and you'll wonder why you waited. Number 2, Family Bell. Family Bell schedules announcements that play on all your Google speakers at a set time. Dinner is ready at 6:30 p.m., school time at 8 a.m. on weekdays, 30 minutes until bedtime at 8:30 p.m. You create these in the Google Home app under the Household section. It's a whole home announcement system that keeps everyone in sync without anyone yelling across the house. Number 3, Home and Away automation. Google Home can detect when phones associated with your household are home or away. This triggers automations, lights off when everyone leaves, thermostat drops to away mode, security sensors arm. It works without any extra hardware, just your phones. Enable it in the Google Home app under Settings, then Household, then Presence. Number 4, Broadcast. Say, "Hey Google, broadcast," followed by any message, and it plays on every Google speaker in your home simultaneously. It's an intercom system that's already built in and completely free. Announce that dinner is ready, that someone's leaving in 10 minutes, or that a package has arrived. The speaker says your message with your voice. Number 5, Guest Mode. Guest Mode lets visitors control your Google speakers without connecting to your Wi-Fi. They open Google Home on their phone, tap the Cast button, and a QR code appears on their phone. Your guest scans it. They're connected and can play music or control devices temporarily without any access to your network or accounts. Set up 1 routine today, and you'll set up 10 more within a week. Start with a good morning routine. It takes 15 minutes to configure and improves every single day. Follow for more Google Home tips every day.